Bitter. Having a sharp taste. It tastes a little bitter. This coffee is too bitter. Spoiled. Damage or harm something so badly it cannot be repaired. The wind spoiled our picnic. Do not spoil the weekends of your kids. Bend. Shape or force something into a curve or angle. I can't bend my right arm. Our arms and legs can bend at the joints. Suck. To pull a liquid into your mouth. Bees suck honey from flowers. The baby was sucking on the bottle eagerly. Reconcile. Restore, settle. It's difficult to reconcile such different point of views. I can't reconcile those two ideas. Flirt. Behave as though sexually attracted to someone. Don't flirt with girls. He was flirting with her. Dismantle. To take to pieces. When will they dismantle the old bridge? The mechanic dismantled the machine to repair it. Bully. Bullying is behavior that hurts someone. I wasn't going to let him bully me. A bully is always a coward. Hush. Make someone be quiet or stop talking. She tried to hush her noisy brother. He hushed the baby to sleep. Stink. Have a strong, unpleasant smell. These dirty socks stink. The burnt garlic has stunk the kitchen out. Slap. Hit of strike with the palm of hand or a flat object. She slapped his face. She gave her a slap on the cheek.